Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Now today is going to be another unboxing of a power bank from Trust. I'm not sure if you can find this brand online, but I was able to find it in the local mall at, I believe, the Flanco retailer, which is a Romanian retailer. This model is the Primo, which it claims to have 20,000 milliamp hours. It does promise an additional 92-hour extra battery time for your phone. I'm guessing it's going to be for a phone that has 5,000 milliamp hour capacity. If you have a lower battery capacity on your phone or higher than 5,000 milliamps, that mileage may vary. Okay, this is the box itself. On the back, it does have a few information available for it. You can pause the video if you want and read these informations that are displayed here. Okay, so let's begin with the unboxing. It is pretty straightforward, nothing too complicated, and there isn't a lot of stuff in the box anyway. Over here, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which you can use to charge up the power bank or charge devices from it, because it's a bit short in length, so it won't take up that much space either in your backpack, or I don't know, if you're brave enough, you can put this power bank in your pocket, in your pants pocket or your jacket pocket, if it is big enough. Okay, and the power bank itself, as well as a few instructional manuals, a user guide, and I'm guessing the legal and compliance information for this power bank. That's about it. As you can see, it is quite a massive power bank. You have on the side the power button. On this other side, you have the LED indicators. It doesn't have a display indicator, only 4 LEDs. And as for ports, we have two USB-A for charging devices, a USB-C port for charging the power bank, as well as charging devices from the power bank through the USB-C, and only an additional micro USB port, which you can use to charge up the power bank. This one is only is not an in and out port like the USB-C. So yeah, not much to say about it. Just a I guess chunky power bank. It does promise 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, 74 watt hours. On the USB-C, it does says that it provides 5 volts up to 3 amps. Micro USB 5 volts 2 amps. And that is for the current that is going inside the power bank. And for charging up devices, both USB-A ports are 5 volts 2.4 amps at 12 watts, and the USB-C, it's 5 volts 3 amps at 15 watts. So yeah, you can charge up a bit faster. And the total max output is 15 watts for this power bank. Despite its size, it does not have a wireless charging feature on it like some other brands do offer for the size. I guess it is pretty useful. It is pretty minimalist. So yeah, if you want extra capacity and you don't want to bring extra power banks with you, I guess you can charge this one up before going on a trip. Have this one in your backpack and you're good to go for, I don't know, at least 8 charges for your phone or other devices like GoPros or tablets, whatever you want to use, or cameras. photography cameras. So yeah, well, that's about it for this review. Not much to say about it. As I said, I don't know if you can find this one online. At least I haven't been able to, but you can do a search for it. The Trust Primo power bank. I don't know if they have a 10,000 milliamp hour version, but I was only able to find the 20,000 milliamp hour version. But yeah, pretty useful. A bit heavy, but I guess you can get used to it. So yeah, not much to say. That's it for this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and guess I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you wish. It does help me to grow my channel for the future. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.